Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to discuss about one of the flagship phone, the slimmest flagship phone from Samsung, that is S25 Edge, which is recently launched on May 13th. So this is one of the slimmest phone from Samsung actually. It is going to be on sale from May 21st in India. So basically you can pre-order from Samsung website. But let's talk about the specs of this mobile actually. So surprisingly, this phone is coming with a thickness of 5.8 mm, so that's very thin actually. This phone is very thin compared to all other flagship devices. And the screen size, they have not compromised on the screen size. Screen size is almost 6.7 inch. When you talk about the display of Samsung, right, so Samsung displays are exceptional. Like no other brand can beat the Samsung displays. So obviously it is coming with 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, same as S25 Ultra's display. So no compromise on display side, no compromise on processor side also. A processor, it is coming with a processor of Snapdragon 8 Elite. It is coming with dual camera. Main camera is 200 megapixel. Telephoto lens is coming with 12 megapixel, and then the front camera is coming with 12 megapixel camera again. And then it is coming with 12 GB RAM, and only minus on this device is basically they are coming with 3900 mAh battery, because they can't fit the big battery here. 25 Ultra is 205 grams, whereas this S25 Edge, which is at 165 grams, so you can see the difference there itself in the weight. So if someone who is looking for a slim phone without compromising the screen size, then you can definitely go for it. You can pre-order it from Samsung website. So yeah, it is coming in two variants. One is 256 and other is 512 GB variant. So basically if you pre-order this phone, right, you can get the 512 GB version for 256 GB cost. So that is a great deal. If you want to buy it right now, you can pre-order it. I hope you like the video. So if you do like the video, please do like and subscribe, so that will motivate me to do more videos like this. Yeah, thank you.